the red eye tool, all this does is it removes red eyes that can happen from camera lights and flashes. So all you do, you just hover over where the red is in the eye and click. That's it. There's nothing else you gotta do. You can zoom in and see how good it gets it, right? You can also hover and make a box around the red eye and let go, but I don't like doing that because you can see it doesn't catch all the red. I'd rather just come up to it and click once, and that's it. There's not a lot of options and settings for this tool. All it's got is the presets, and then pupil size and darken amount. Let's just show you what that does. If I raise pupil size to 100, you can see the difference, and this is 1%. Then darken amount, that's 100%, and this is what 1% looks like. It's not a big difference. You'd be fine just leaving these both at 50. You probably never have to change them, and I think it gets a better result with them just at 50. When you zoom out, you can't tell. So that's the red eye tool. If you got any questions, make sure to comment down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.